1 John chapter 1 verse 5 to 10. Jesus told us that God is light and doesn't have any darkness in him. And now we are telling you, if we say that we are sharing life with God and keep on living in the dark, we are lying and are not living by the truth. If we live in the light, as God does, we share in life with each other, and the blood of His Son, Jesus, washes all our sins away. If we say that we have not sinned, we are fooling ourselves and the truth isn't in our hearts. But if we confess our sin, He can always be trusted to forgive us and take our sins away. If we say that we have not sinned, we make God a liar and His message isn't in our hearts.